Alright, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. And today we got the E36 here behind me back on the channel. We're going to do a couple things to that. The 240, the purple car, purple nurple, is running. Got that up and going. Actually, you can see there, got new front grille for it. I fired it up yesterday and ended up, a couple of the wires were actually melting on the headers, and actually I burnt the hell out of my hand trying to fix that, but I melted through the extension harness for the coils, so I'm waiting till tomorrow for that to come in. Then I'll be able to get a idle data log for it. We'll send it to Jason and start getting some tuning. But today I'm going to give you guys a video about the E36 and some of the parts we got for that. So I'll show you this first. Alright, so here we're going to go with the, let's open some of the E36 M3 style mirrors. So I got these on eBay. Had a lot of really good reviews. Get it out of the bag here. Alright, so some of the E36 M3 style mirrors. So those will go ahead and replace those. So let's get these on. And then the next thing I got was the E36 M3 twisted side skirts. So this one will be kind of cool because the 318, as you can see over there, you can see there is not drilled for side skirts. So into this, I got a template, which I'll leave the link in the description for all the stuff I used for this video. But I got these, I believe these came from the UK. But they're basically stickers that'll show us where we need to drill on the side of the car so that the clips line up with the side skirts, which are here. So we'll get those unboxed later to show those, but for now, let's go ahead and get the mirrors. So there you go, got the E36 M3 mirror and a regular 318 mirror. Super easy, you just pop off the inner panel, and then it's 3 bolts. That's it. So, getting closer to having all the M3 pieces on there. So let's go ahead and get the other one on, and then we'll work on these side skirts here. Alright, so I got this side skirt on. Now I'm going to show you how I did it on the other side. So first thing is I got this little template here, and this I'll show you once we get it on the car. But basically I got this template on eBay. I'll leave the link in the description below, and this shows us where we need to drill the holes and gives us the correct distance. So this comes with a little bit of a white edge on the other side. I just ran an X-Acto knife down the edge of it, so it was right on the edge of the sticker. And then go ahead and I did magnets, so let me put this on and I'll show you. Alright, so from here we just make sure the template is lined up right with the bottom. So it'll look pretty good. Just use a bunch of regular magnets. Got it done all down the side. And now we'll take a punch and just punch right through, punch right through the center of the holes there. And then we'll drill out the 9mm holes. Alright, so we got our 9mm holes drilled, and then this is the hardware it comes with. These are your little clips here, and then these get pressed into the body. So it seems like these work decent. On the other side I got some that I gotta kind of redo. They're not grabbing well, but that's what we got, so we'll give it a shot. So these little clips here, they basically just slide on each end. And you'll put in the correct amount for how many holes we got up here, and then we'll slap this on. This piece, oops, I do actually like the fitment of these. I spent a little bit more on these than just your regular eBay ones. I'll leave a link in the description. They seem pretty nice, good quality. And the last piece is a little piece of edge trim that comes here and fills in the gap along the edge, but that'll go on once we get this painted. So let's go ahead and get it on the car. All right, so that is it. We got the side skirts installed and the mirrors, and that is looking pretty dang good. There'll be a little bit of adjustments I kind of do with some of the clips in the middle. You can see that there's a little bit of some gaps, but that's because this one clip fell out. So we'll work on that, but it's all gonna come off because we're gonna get it painted. So starting to come along. And we got one more piece for the back we're gonna do, and some stuff for the sides before we go ahead and paint this thing. So. All right, so that's gonna do it for the E36 today. We got the side skirts on and the mirrors. So hope you guys enjoyed that. Hope you guys go ahead and use those templates, because that made it a lot easier for getting this installed and drilling the holes. So I'll have a link for those in the description below. But anyway, make sure you guys like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one. Tell your friends.